You searched how to buy shares of Reservoir Media Inc. Reservoir Media Inc. is an independent music publisher and rights management firm listed on NASDAQ with the ticker RSVR. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker RSVR to find the listing. Select the result that matches Reservoir Media Inc. to open its stock page. On the asset page, check the company's summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct Reservoir Media Inc. listing. Verify the ticker RSVR and basic company details before proceeding. Click the Buy or Invest button. Set the amount you want to allocate, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or become a pending order, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For reference, the eToro link is available in the video description if you want to visit the platform.